and becoming the credit bull, my life has completely changed. Not because I started a business, but because I fixed my credit and I understand how to leverage it, right? I'm able to do different things. I'm able to provide different things for my family. I'm able to give my family more information on how to level up, right? Like my kids already know about credit. My oldest son, he's 8. He already knows about credit. He knows the most important part about credit is your payment history, right? So a lot of y'all want to fix up y'all credit and y'all want good credit, but your payment history is not intact. That means that you need credit repair. You need to fix up those negative items and then move on to phase 2, which is credit building. It works in phases. Sometimes you gotta repair before you can build. Like you got an entire vehicle, you got an entire car, automobile, right? And you wanna soup up this car, but the car has a flat. The car has actually 2 flats, right? One in the front, one in the back. You can't proceed to building up that car to the supercar that you want until you repair those 2 tires. So it works just like that. Once you repair, you can then build and then you can coast. You feel me? You can't do none of that until you repair. So my life has completely changed once repairing my credit, but it really has changed once getting an understanding of credit. So I encourage you today to just go to my YouTube or go to my Instagram page and watch the videos that give out education on credit. Each video has a different topic. You can learn a lot because I sat down for days and nights just learning so that I can pour into you guys, right? Because I was able to see results from it. I know that it works. I'm able to give that game back to you guys confidently because I know it works. And it kills me to see other people just wash their life away, not tapping into credit when it literally is the key to wealth. And it's the key to getting you time freedom, right? Okay, maybe you don't want wealth, but I know you want time freedom. You don't want to be trading your time for money for somebody else. I'd be damned if I was sitting here shooting this video, working my ass off so that somebody else can make profit from it. That makes no sense. I'm gonna grind for myself and I'm gonna grind for mine each and every single day. And I encourage you to do the same. So listen, if you want to learn how to fix up your credit and start changing your life and start changing other people's lives, you're going to want to make sure that you're in a mentorship. It's called the Digital Entrepreneur Experience. We're going to be combining our 2 companies, my wife and myself. We're going to be combining our 2 companies, Brand Me Please Marketing and The Credit Bull, to teach you guys every single thing that you need to do to grow and scale a successful business online and even offline. So we'll see you guys in the mentorship.